Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing these CloseMate ankle running socks. I do cross country, so I run every single day, and I wanted to share what I think after wearing these ones. I actually had practice today. First of all, these are unisex socks, so obviously both genders can wear these. I am normally a woman size 7 to 8, and I ordered a size medium, and these fit me perfectly, not too tight, not too loose. It's a perfect tight. The bottom has a extra cushioning, which makes them very comfortable when you're walking or running. So I like having that extra padding underneath my feet. As you can see, the top is like a mesh material almost, so they're super breathable, and I don't get so much sweatiness stuck in between because they're so breathable here at the top, which is super nice. When I put them on, they slid on easily and fit snug without feeling too tight. I have other socks that are super hard to get on, and these ones just slipped on. This is just a quick last look on my feet before I put on my running shoes. Again, they sit right below the ankle and don't bunch up or slide down. So you can see that I can put them on with my slides. You can wear these with slides, sneakers, my school shoes, my athletic shoes. So right here I just have some sneakers or athletic shoes. And as you can see, they fit nice and tug. And the socks fit perfectly inside my shoes. They don't move around or slip, and they stay in place while I'm walking and running. I've been wearing these on my runs, and they've been really comfortable. I don't have to stop and adjust them, which is a really big plus for me. You get 7 pairs in one pack, so it's a great value. They're soft, comfortable, breathable, and they worked really well for my workouts and everyday wear. Again, they're 7, so you can wear one every day if you do laundry once a week. So overall, I'm really happy with these socks. If you're looking for comfortable running everyday socks, these are definitely worth checking out.